Here's our 2019 Sprinter 144. Complete conversion, just about to get picked up. Finishing trim, overhead storage panel. It's raised for a little more head clearance. Custom cabinetry, solid wood construction, butcher block. Got a nice seat here, doubled as storage for the 12-volt cooler. Galley kitchen, plenty of storage. Pop out, one touch, no handles, no rattles. We got a gas burner, 2 burners, Dometic. Sink as well. Propex heater, which means we do have propane on this rig. We've got our standard outlets, dimmers, and nice little fan up here in the ceiling. Wood flooring is a laminate. Lots of little 12-volt accessories. We like to keep everything on switches as much as possible. Underbed lighting, illuminating the cargo area. We did our flare pop outs on this model, which allows you to sleep horizontally, basically leaving you about this much more space. You get about 14 additional inches, which gives you a little bit of standing room in here. Clear some space for your wardrobe. We've got some extra storage inside of here. Multiple shelves, overhead cabinets. Plenty of storage, soft close, recessed lighting. Clean design, functional. Here's our flares from the outside, pretty minimally invasive. In the back of the bus here, we've got water fill, custom boxes. This is our shower. More outlets, more lighting control. Power systems, controller. We have solar as well. 12-volt fuse block. Here is the port for the Propex heater, so that's where your hot air will be coming out, right at your feet. Pretty nice in the morning when you're cooking your eggs. Custom bed, removable, rattle proof. We've got lots of additional fasteners here to make sure that the bed's not making any noise. Finished inside these windows nicely. Really like this model, just our flagship here. We can build this for anybody. You can change the color of your wood cabinets. You can change the color of the tweed. You can change this laminate ceiling. This is a one-piece roof with no seams. You can also change your flooring. You could do a coin, you can do a laminate like this. Something a little more durable would be a coin, but this is durable and replaceable as well. Hope you like it.